Today we are going to see about projectile motion. There are two types of projectile motion. One is horizontal projectile motion, the other is angular or oblique projectile motion. If you stand on a terrace and throw a stone horizontally, it is called horizontal projectile. Whereas if you shoot the bullet from a gun, is called oblique projectile. Or you throw a shot put or javelin, we call it as angular projectile or oblique projectile. First of all, we should know what is a projectile. Any body which is given an initial velocity and is continuously subjected by gravity is called a projectile. An initial velocity and is continuously subjected to gravity. Is rocket a projectile? No, because it is given a continuous velocity. Is moon a projectile? Yes, it is a projectile to earth which never falls. So when you throw a stone from a tower with a horizontal velocity, it comes and falls like this. We call it as horizontal projectile. You are giving an initial velocity and after which it is continuously subjected by gravity. And we call it as a horizontal projectile. Now, after seeing this, we are going to see the path of the projectile. A path of a projectile is called trajectory. It is nothing but a parabola. So when you throw a stone from the terrace, it falls like this. You give a horizontal velocity, it falls like this. We call it as horizontal projectile. Now we are going to prove that the path traveled, the trajectory of this projectile is a parabola. How to do it? Take the equation of motion. Y is equal to y naught plus ui into t, ui of t plus half g, ay of t. Ui and ay are the velocities along the y direction and acceleration along the y direction. Here, y0 is equal to 0 because you are giving only the horizontal velocity, there is no vertical velocity. Okay, and no vertical displacement, only horizontal displacement. The velocity is also 0, so ui is also 0, and the acceleration is nothing but g, gravitational acceleration. So now you substitute all these values in this equation. It becomes y is equal to half gt square. Half gt square, here square, ay of gt square. So half gt square. Substitute the value for t. You know, velocity is displacement by time. So time is displacement by velocity. So y is equal to half g x by u, the whole square, which is equal to half g by u into x square. This is similar to the equation y is equal to kx square, which is the equation of a parabola. Hence we say the path of a projectile is a parabola. Thank you.